Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, your number one source for Hollywood gossip and breaking celebrity news. Today we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding JLo and Ben Affleck. There's a lot of unpack. So let's get right into it. On Friday morning, the ever stunning JLo was spotted leaving her upscale gym in the Hamptons. At age of 54, JLo is still turning heads with her incredible physique. She spotted a black tank top that looked just a size too small, flaunting her toned abs as she existed. But it was not just her fit figure that caught our attention. She seemed to be making a subtle statement about her personal life. Eagle-eyed fans noticed that JLo had swapped her gold band heart necklace for a brand new one featuring her own first name adorned with diamond. This new piece of jewelry might be a hint at the current state of her relationship with Ben Affleck, considering that she has not been seen wearing the band necklace lately, dressed in white drawstring slacks and with her highlighted hair flowing freely. Jennifer made her way to a gold car driven by a female friend. Notably absent Ben Affleck, the couple has not been photographed together in almost 50 days, fueling rumors that their marriage might be on the rocks. While Jennifer has been enjoying some time in the Hamptons, Ben has been busy in Los Angeles, focusing on his new project. The last time they were seen together was nearly 50 days ago at Ben's and Samuel basketball game in Los Angeles. Jennifer and Ben Affleck family life a blend of their past relationship. Ben shared three children with her ex-wife Jennifer Garner, Violet, Finn, and Samuel. JLo, on the other hand, has twin Max and Amy with her ex-husband Mark Anthony. Despite the separation rumor, their combined five children have been trying to get their parents back together. According to sources, the kids believe Jennifer and Ben are soulmates and don't want them to divorce. Lopez spent her second wedding anniversary in the Hamptons without Ben. Instead, she had dinner with her son Max and an assistant at the new Arthur and Sons of Bridgehamptons. They enjoy a delicious meal including spaghetti with tomato and basil, cranberry, and a plate of cannoli for dessert, and took home some Limousin cheesecake. According to sources, Jennifer was smiling and engaging throughout the evening. The children are reportedly working behind the scenes to mend their parents' relationship. They believe that if Ben and Jennifer continue counseling and talking things out, they might be able to reconcile. The kids hope that their parents can reunite in time for Jennifer's 55th birthday on July 24, potentially celebrating together as a family in Los Angeles. Insider revealed that Ben could benefit from lighting up a bit as he turns to a grumpy. Meanwhile, Jennifer ex Mark Anthony has always advised her to relax more and enjoy life, a sentiment echoed by her twins Max and Amy. The kids are keen on their parents staying together not only for their sake but also because they genuinely like each other and want to maintain their blended family. Speculation about a potential divorce announcement around the 4th of July weekend never materialized, leaving everyone guessing about the couple feature. Both Jennifer and Ben are still wearing their wedding ring, adding to the uncertainty in a move that could signal of a step towards separation. The couple recently put their Beverly Hills mansion on the market for $68 million. They initially hoped that to sell off market but decided to list up publicly to attract more potential buyers. Ben, in particular, is eager to sell as he never felt settled in the massive 38,000 square foot property. Currently, Ben has been living in $1 lakh per month rental home near his wife Jennifer Garner. He was seen moving his belongings out of the Beverly Hills house he shared with JLo in late June. According to sources, Ben is focused on work and spending time with his kids, while Jennifer finds the 12-bedroom mansion too big for her needs. Despite their lavish wedding, Ben Georgia estate in August 2022, The couple has been leading separate lives for the past few months. Their marriage, once thought to be a fairy tale ending to their long love story, now faces significant challenges. Fans and media alike are speculating about the future of Bonfire 2.0. US Weekly recently reported that there is still a silver of hope for the couple, with Jennifer suggesting that take time to figure things out. The source added that they are both going through a lot individual as a couple and may need time apart to see if they can resolve their issues and come back stronger. As we approach Jennifer Lopez's birthday on July 24, all eyes are on this power couple. Will they find a way to reconcile and celebrate together as a family? Or are they headed for a permanent split? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, their fans are rooting for them to work things out. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates on Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more juicy celebrity gossips. Until next time, keep following for all the scoop on your favorite star. Thanks for watching.